In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Steam Guard. Steam Guard adds an extra layer of protection to your Steam account, so even if someone learns your password, they still can't get in without a verification code that only you can access. It's quick to set up, and once it's on, it quietly keeps your library and purchases safer. Start by opening the Steam desktop app on your computer. Look to the very top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where you control account, privacy, downloads, and security features, and it's the place you'll return to if you ever want to review your choices later. Inside Settings, head to the Security section. Here, click Manage Steam Guard. This is the dedicated area where you turn on Steam's built-in two-factor protection and decide how you want to receive your codes. You'll see two options for verification: Get codes from Steam app, which is the recommended choice, or Get codes by email. If you pick Get codes from Steam app, Steam will use the mobile authenticator in the Steam app on your phone to generate a short, time-based code that changes every 30 seconds. This method is considered the best because the code is generated locally on your device, even if you don't have a great signal at that moment, and it's much harder for someone else to intercept. Keep in mind that you'll want to have reliable access to your phone and make sure notifications are allowed so you can see prompts quickly when you log in on a new device. If you choose Get codes by email, Steam will send a one-time code to the email address linked to your account whenever verification is needed. This is a solid option if you prefer not to use your phone for authentication. Just remember to keep your email secure with a strong password and its own protection, and check that Steam messages aren't going to spam. Email can take a few moments to arrive depending on your provider, so be patient and keep your inbox open when signing in. After you've selected the method you prefer, Steam Guard is considered enabled. From now on, when you sign in on a new computer or browser, you'll be asked for a verification code from the option you chose. That quick extra step is what keeps your account safe. And that's it. Open Steam, go to Settings, visit Security, choose Manage Steam Guard, and pick the verification method that fits your routine. Enable it once and enjoy a safer Steam experience every day.